cold outside, bugs can't resist sneaking into warm homes. Check out a few tips to keep winter pests out of your home. 1. Seal entry points. Make sure bugs can't slip into your home. Seal cracks and gaps. Add screens to vents and your chimney. Repair broken siding and damaged weather stripping. 2. Trim lawn and vegetation. Overgrown vegetation close to or touching your house can make it easier for bugs to enter your home. Trim shrubs, plants, and your lawn. 3. Remove yard debris. Leaves, logs, rocks, and bricks act as shelter for pests. Remove these from your yard to minimize hiding spots. 4. Properly store firewood. If you have firewood, it should be kept at least 20 feet away from your home and off the ground to help prevent pests from hiding in it. 5. Remove food sources. Clean up crumbs and spills to avoid attracting hungry pests. Keep your trash covered and dispose of it daily. Pick up your pet's food bowl when they aren't eating. Store food in containers and produce in the refrigerator. 6. Reduce moisture. Fix leaks and eliminate standing water to help keep pests away. Dehumidifiers and fans can help reduce moisture buildup in damp rooms. 7. Eliminate clutter. Clothes, toys, paper, and cardboard boxes can act as shelter for pests. Keep your space organized to help prevent pests. 8. Create a protective barrier. Plant-based insecticide sprays can help kill and repel winter pests. Spray your yard and the perimeter of your house to help deter pests. 9. Use baits. Baits attack the source of an infestation by allowing pests, like cockroaches, to feed on the bait and return it to the nest where others will be exposed to it. 10. Use insecticide dusts. Dusts can provide long-lasting protection. Our bedbug killer dust and spider and insect dust can be applied to areas where pests have been seen, including cracks and crevices. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.